Listen carefully. Hear that psh psh sound from the fuel tank cap? That's air leaking out. If you go to a repair shop, they might suggest fuel additives, but that's not the real fix. The actual issue is often with a small part called the charcoal canister purge valve, EVAP valve, which many mechanics overlook. It's easy to remove. No screws, just unplug a couple of hoses and a connector. This valve controls vapor flow. It should close when unpowered. But sometimes it doesn't seal properly and leaks air. You can test it by blowing. If air passes through when it shouldn't, it's faulty. Luckily, you can try tapping it gently on the ground to help the internal valve reset, just like old TVs that started working after a light knock. Test it again. If it stops leaking, the issue is fixed. Reinstall it, check the fuel cap, and if there's no more sound, you're good to go. Subscribe my channel for more amazing informative video.